one of the lesser-known stories from Hurricane Katrina.
My life ain't right, so I'm a flight all night. My life.
This is New Orleans Parish
This be
Prison.
the truth that I ever
Parish
say.
Prison fell
Feel
into
me?
chaos
My
in the
life.
5 days after Hurricane Katrina struck New Orleans.
My life ain't right,
As
so
the
I'm
water
a flight all
rose in the
night.
prison
My
building,
life.
deputies deserted en
This be the
masse,
truth that I
leaving
ever
behind
say.
prisoners
Feel me?
locked in their
I
cells.
know my age boy
left
wanna take
to
my
die.
place. My turn
The prisoners
south.
spent days
When I
without
went
power,
upstate,
food,
used
or
to be
water.
my homie
Some were
till I
even
cuffed
standing
this
in
case.
sewage
Now I
tainted
wanna
water
slap
up to
the
their
taste.
chests or
I
necks.
can't wait. My stash, my connect, my ends,
September
my
28,
bins, my
2005, the
God.
American
Please forgive me
Civil
for all
Liberties
my
Union
sins, my
demanded
hood, my
access to
crook.
the
We
relocated
do
prisoners.
what she's do. Best
Men and
believe
women
I'ma
formerly
ride
detained
true.
at Orleans
That's my
Parish
crew.
Prison
Started
recounted
small
disturbing
time,
tales of
dope
being
gang,
abandoned without food or
This is not
water
a joke,
and
man.
abused by
This
guards
my
after
flow,
Hurricane
man.
Katrina
This
struck.
be the truth that I
Some of
ever
the
say.
prisoners
This
claimed
my
that
life
deputies forced
behind
them into
this.
their
I might
cells by
wind up
shooting
in my
beanbags,
life.
macing, and tasering them. Once they were returned to
life
their
ain't
cells,
right, so
some
I'ma fight
deputies
all night.
handcuffed the
My
cell
life.
doors to prevent them from escaping. As the locked cells began to flood, prisoners hung signs out of broken windows for help. Others jumped into the water below. According to the testimonials, deputies and members of the Special Investigation Division shot at some of the prisoners who were attempting to escape the rising waters inside the jail, and several prisoners reported that they witnessed fellow prisoners getting shot in the back. While the prisoners were eventually moved, they were told, "Be glad you're not dead, and lucky we came to get y'all." The prisoners weren't even moved until Monday after the storm had passed. When the prisoners were finally evacuated from the jail, many were forced to wade through toxic, waste-filled water to make their way toward the Broad Street overpass on Interstate 10. Prisoners reported that armed guards at the overpass had canine dogs, which were used to threaten them, and that they were maced and beaten. Female prisoners also report that deputies directed degrading and sexually offensive comments at them. Fun fact, even though this is called Orleans Parish Prison, it is actually just a county jail, and it holds upwards of 6,500 inmates. It was these same inmates who many had not even been charged formally with a crime yet, or they were serving time for minor municipal infractions when they were abandoned in cells for days following Katrina. Not only did as many as 650 prisoners in their cells have no access to food and water or ventilation, there were even stacks of Gatorade found left over in the prison. So tell me, why were they not given access to water? At some point, the water got high enough that the inmates got angry and started banging on the doors, breaking down the first set of security doors to get out. Most of their efforts amounted to nothing. Outside, deputies were waiting with boats, but they weren't coming in because they were afraid. There was even a girl as young as 13 who was put into general population with adult men during this time. There were many who died in the waters.